Hi, this is from Vijayakumar, Assistant Professor, Head of the Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Uh, Today I am taking the topic of environmental science, the Unit 2 Biodiversity. The topic is an introduction to biodiversity. So brainstorming and the recap of the last session. Last unit is a ecosystems. So we discussed in ecosystem definition, scope, and importance of ecosystem. Then food web, food chain, and food pyramid is we discussed. Then last we found in the producer, consumer, and decomposer is based on to the form of different ecosystem wise. That is a forest ecosystem, then pond ecosystem. That means an aquatic ecosystem. This is all we discussed in last class. So today we discuss the definition of biodiversity. So biological diversity means the variability among the living organism from all the types of sources including terrestrial, marine and other aquatic ecosystem and the ecological complex of which they are part. So it becomes diversity included within a species, between the species and ecosystem. It is a very extent of life in a planet Earth. It exists both land and water from high altitude to deep ocean trend. So the term was coined by Walter G. Rogen in 1986. Biolife diversity is a variety. So the definition, the variety and variability among all the group of living organism and the ecosystem in which they occur. So this is all the picture is clearly given from that what is biodiversity. Then significance of biodiversity is provided in a freshwater, air and protective lands, provide human life, food, medicine, developed forestry, fisheries, agricultures. So the classification of biodiversity, the one is diversity of genetic, the second one is a diversity of species, and third one is a diversity of ecosystem. So based on this topic, we give some activity from the students. Which of the following region is known as a hot spot for Catas biodiversity? Is a Deccan Valley. On which day International Day of Biodiversity is observed? Is in May 22. The loss of biodiversity, it's followed from some factors. One is in a hybrid seeds, medically become exist, sinkage of forest, population, then urbanizations. So based on this types of factor, the biodiversity will be changed. So the hybrid seed we have used, the food product it will be changed in the natures. The next one, medically become existed of in a biodiversity formation. Then sinkage of forest, because the forest will be sinkage, the many of the nature will be destroyed from that in our earth. Then pollution. So the different types of pollution, air, soil, water. So these types of pollution compulsory it will be changed from the biodiversity and especially in the classification of biodiversity. The urbanization is a very important because the rural is form of many of the nature to form in clear biodiversity, but the urbanization is not a clear nature, it will be change of the nature. So the biodiversity become change of the nature to based on the ecosystems. So this all the factor is a very important to be changed from biodiversity. That is we consider in a loss of biodiversity. So this is all the reference I am prepared from the PPT to form of biodiversity introduction part. Thank you very much. We discuss in another one topic in another one video. Thank you very much.